Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani-American news channel. Kesser Mustafa from New York. President Donald Trump to be sentenced over hush money case, but judge signals no jail time. A judge has ordered that President Donald Trump will be sentenced on 10th January in his hush money case in New York, less than 2 weeks before he is set to be sworn in as president. New York Justice Juan Merchan signaled he would not sentence President Donald Trump to jail time, probation, or a fine, but instead give him an unconditional discharge, and wrote in his order that the president-elect could appear in person or virtually for the hearing. President Donald Trump had attempted to use his presidential election victory to have the case against him dismissed. The president-elect has posted on social media dismissing the judge's order as an illegitimate political attack and calling the case nothing but a rigged charade. President Donald Trump was convicted in May of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records related to a $130,000 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. The charges related to attempts to cover up reimbursements to his ex-lawyer Michael Cohen, who in the final days of the 2016 election campaign paid off the adult film star to remain silent about an alleged sexual encounter with Trump. The president-elect has denied all wrongdoing and pleaded not guilty, arguing the case was an attempt to harm his 2024 presidential campaign. In the post on his Truth Social platform on Saturday, President Donald Trump said, "The judge's sentencing order goes against our Constitution and, if allowed to stand, would be the end of the presidency as we know it." President Donald Trump's spokesperson, Stephen Cheung, earlier called the order part of a witch hunt. President Trump must be allowed to continue the presidential transition process and to execute the vital duties of the presidency, unobstructed by the remains of this or any remnants of the witch hunts. Cheung said, "There should be no sentencing, and President Trump will continue fighting against these hoaxes until they are all dead." In his latest motion against the case, President Donald Trump had argued the case would hang over him during his presidency and impede his ability to govern. Justice Merchan said he had been advised of several measures he could employ that could assuage President Donald Trump's concerns about being distracted by a criminal case while serving as president that fell short of the extreme remedy of overturning the jury's verdict. His options included delaying this sentencing until Trump, 78, leaves the White House in 2029, or granting a sentence that would not involve prison time. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.